Sam. Got the bird on the hood. 6.6 liters shows. There's a Chevelle. I wasn't sure if I had gotten this. Oh yeah, let's go. Challenger SRT. I have been here earlier. Cut over. There's a Porsche. Porsche. Mustang.
The spirit of 76 Dodge Darts.
Oh, he's looking at the 76 Dart, the Spirit of 76.
Yeah.
By Katie's Cup. I got that video.
It looks like I sprayed a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, it does.
But it's a
What?
Old Firebird. This purple car needs a little work. It's a little beat, but it looks good. It just needs a little work. Look at that bug coming in. Bring it.
Yeah, Mel's telling me this 1976 Dodge Darts, 76 model. This is one of 8 years old. Wow.
That Dart is one of like 800 that were produced.
The Duster.
that's the only one left.
There's that Camaro. That guy was driving.
It's got the,
He was driving that. Pretty cool. Needs paint job.
right in front of Katie's Cup. Number 76 Dodge Dart.
Suburban. Remember mine? The black and gray?
Yeah.
Well, you may notice on
Watch your step, babe.
one of our state line summer
Some of this asphalt ain't level.
T-shirts. We're going to give away a few of those today. Stand by for that.
Oh, look at this Volkswagen. I gotta get that van there. Randy's already over here.
And you spend the night, rest of the night, cruising around. But yeah, that's neat.
VW.
Yeah, I see that.
Magic Bus, it says. Where she went. Gotta be a wrap on that. Getting warm. Watch it, Sherry. Dog fight. All the Mustangs around now. This guy on the bike. Mustangs. They get the back row, I guess, huh?
Yeah, I guess until they gotta come back.
Yeah. Box Chevy. Oh, he's got a bad leak. He's leaking bad. Buick Regal. Buick Regal. El Camino, looks like. Here's a Regal. Like, follow, and subscribe. Audi. Oh, yeah? I'm going to stop this video here. Have a great day.